Hello kids, welcome to UIL Science. I'm Paul Kennedy and today's problem is a friction problem. A box of mass, 40 kilograms, is being pushed to the left by a force of 160 newtons across the horizontal floor. The coefficient of friction between the box and the floor is 0.22. What is the acceleration of the box? Here is a picture of our box. The box is sitting on a table and it has both weight and the normal force which is opposing that weight. The box is now moving through the table, therefore in this case the normal force must be equal to the weight and cancels that weight. We have a force being applied to the left on this box, and since we do have friction, there is a force which pushes back against the box, which is called the force of friction. If we do our force diagram, or we put our mass at the center, we end up seeing normal force up, weight to the going down. We have the force going to the left, and we have the force of friction going to the right. The acceleration of the box is due to the net force on the box. The net force is equal to the sum of all the forces on the box. And this actually ends up reducing to just the force applied to the box minus the force of friction, because the normal force directly opposes the weight and the box isn't accelerating that direction. So F net is equal to the force minus the force of friction. If we expand that, we see that that's F minus mu mg, and if we put our numbers in, 160 newtons minus 0.22 times 40 kilograms times 9.81 meters per second squared, we get that the value comes out to be 86, or comes out to be 73.8 newtons. That's the force net. Now we want to know the acceleration. The definition of a force is its mass times its acceleration, which in this is the net acceleration. So if we solve this for the net acceleration, we get that it's F net divided by the mass. If we put that in, we get 73.8 newtons divided by 40.0 kilograms, and that comes out to be 1.8 meters per second squared, which is